Ningbo ACE CX125 pallet hydraulic excavator is an efficient and reliable machine with combined Chinese and Japanese technology. Compact design and small size with width 750 mm. Ideal for use in narrow working areas. In addition, it is also equipped with Kubota stage VD722 EF1110 2 PS diesel engine, which has excellent power and reliability, and can help you complete various excavation tasks efficiently. If you need more information about this excavator, you can contact us at any time. We will be happy to help you.